Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be doing the first of the scribble snowflakes. You'll notice here on the pattern there is a fold that's really close here. So just watch as you're coming around that you keep this fold. And I'm just going to go ahead and we'll cut out the pattern. And these are all what I would consider intermediate snowflakes, so they are challenging. Take your time. I hope you enjoy the challenge. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to place the pattern on top of the folded paper. The pattern is available. It's a free PDF that's linked below. And there's folding directions on my website for how to fold a paper. We're just going to go ahead and we'll take the stapler and I'm going to put in 2 staples. You could do even 3 if you wanted to on this one. It's up to you. And then we're just going to go ahead and start cutting out the shaded areas of the pattern. Now you want to be careful on this one that you don't accidentally clip part of these pieces as you're cutting. They're really close, really thin pieces is what I want to say. Really thin pieces, so if you accidentally clip into them, say as I'm coming around this corner, as you'll see on the oops video, I accidentally clipped over into the other side when I was right about here somewhere. And I had to modify, so if you want to see how I modified, please go over there. But just want to watch that you're not accidentally cutting pieces that you're not realizing you're cutting. And then we're going to go ahead and go over, finish cutting out this piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut along this curve, but again, I'm going to try to leave this fold here in the middle. We'll go ahead and open that center. You can see how it turned out. There we go. And then I'll go ahead and I'm going to cut out this piece right here. Again, that staple's helping me keep the stability so that my paper is not shifting. You can tell that if I shift it just a little bit one way or the other, I could completely lose the part of the snowflake I'm trying to keep. So that is what makes this an intermediate challenge level, is because I could very easily lose parts of the snowflake if I'm not paying attention. So I'm going to go ahead, put that there for stability, and then I'm going to be watching this, and if I wanted to, I could go ahead and use a highlighter or a pencil and make this line a little bit thicker if I was worried about not being able to get this thin of a line. It's completely up to you. You could also put a staple here for more stability. Again, it's up to you how comfortable you are. It's always good to challenge yourself. Don't feel like you can't use staples or other helps. This again is another one where your quality of your scissors comes in handy too. Smaller scissors are very helpful for the curves. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unfold and we'll see how we did. We'll take off the pattern. I'll flatten this out later so that you can see, but hopefully this gives you a good idea of how it turned out. Thank you for watching.